Just unboxed the WEN air filtration system. It has 3 speeds, and you can also set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. I believe I'm going to mount it probably right up between my table saw and my miter station, my sanding area, prep table. I ran a an outlet up there. It's on a 20 amp breaker, so I don't have to worry about running extension cords or anything. Most people say it's pretty comparable to the Jet or the Grizzly, a lot of the other ones. We'll see. I haven't had a chance to try any of those yet, but for the price, I think it was under $200, maybe 130 bucks. Got it on Amazon. Came with everything: the remote, the hooks, and all the mounting hardware. Just got to take out, unscrew the, I believe those bolts come out, and then the hooks screw right in. So I'm going to go and get that set up, and then put the hooks up in the ceiling, and then we'll test it out. Alright, so I got it hung up. Just put the hooks up above the rafters, and I shortened the chains down with a little ring on it. I put it up 7 links, and it seems to be just about where I want it. As you can see, I put that outlet in up there. Makes it a lot easier. You don't have to worry about running cords anywhere. It seems to work pretty good. I tried it earlier. Low, you can barely hear it. Mediums, about double. And high, you can hear a little bit more the air velocity, but it's really not that bad. So I'm pretty satisfied for what it costs, especially being a little unsure if this was it was okay going with the WEN versus some of the major brands. But I have the WEN track saw. It's decent for the price. I have the WEN router, same thing, decent for the price. So I say for my small shop, I think it'll be all right. Just to give you a quick look at what my shop down here. It's not that big. My basement's about 1,600 square feet, but the shop's only half of it. So I will use the joiner in the bandsaw over there, but table saw is usually stationary here. I'll bring my planer, I'll roll it over right here, and also usually the assembly cart if I'm sanding or anything. That's pretty much where it is. So I think this should be good. It's high enough that I hopefully won't hit my head. I'm 6 feet tall, so it's a hair low. Everything about the construction of it looks okay. It doesn't look really cheap. The only thing I did notice is the stickers on the side. I don't know if you can, probably not going to focus, but they're peeling up. So they'll probably come off. Once they peel halfway, I'll take them off. Other than that, it's pretty good. Hopefully we'll have some less dust down here now. Shop dog. Hey, you think this is going to help down here? Yeah, he doesn't care. Do you, Reese? Nope. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. So far, I'm pleased with it. I think it'll be a decent addition. Keep the dust down.